Hey everybody, Kent back with you. 12:30 in the morning. We're out at the shop where I work. I'm gonna get the camera switched around. I'll show you what we're doing today, gang. See you in a short. All right, I'm gonna try to keep the light out of it as best I can. I got a big work light on the side, gang. We are out at Schuster Company. Table set up, Royal Oak. There is some oak. Let's take a look at this whole hog cooker a little better. What do you say? 6-foot rotisserie basket. What's going in that basket? Little Miss Piggy. We're doing a whole hog this morning, folks. This is for all the mechanics, shop, wash bay personnel out here. Also going to be a bit of a fundraiser for our gal Becky, who's on her second bout with the big C. I got no doubt she's going to beat it. We're going to get the pig up, start getting it seasoned up, trimmed up. I'll bring you back then. All right, there she is, laid out in all her glory. 100 pounds of deliciousness. You hear anything in the background? That's me rewatching the hot seat. Right about there. And that bag next to it. You guys got to hit up Uncle Steve for this. This is competition pig powder. New product. So, we're going to spray this girl down with some Pam cooking spray. Season the outside, flip her over, season the cavity. Then we got to get it in that basket right there, which weighs 65 pounds. Plus that means Kent's going to be tired. Give you a couple pictures along the way, guys, and we'll go from there. All right, let me show you the setup here real quick, gang. Let me get this door open. All right. Drip pans underneath her. There she is. Fire starting on this end. Working across. I should get out of the light. Same thing on the other side. Even cooking both sides. So there we go. Bring you back in, let's say, hour and a half. We're going to take a look at it. All right, 4:30 in the morning. Take a peek. Putting off some heat, I'll tell you that. There we go. Starting to get some nice color on her. See, there's a little catch in the rotisserie, but just need to get some oversized valve springs, excuse me, to put on those bolts, top and bottom. And that'll eliminate that wobble. But yeah, we're getting the front shoulders real good right now. We'll add a little coal, burn back the other way. Running Royal Oak lump today. So, let's get this closed up and we'll let her keep cooking. Alright, here we go. After 7 hours, getting a little caramelization on the outside. It's looking nice. Just temp the hams. They are at 185. The shoulders are at 192. We're going to open it up. We're going to let her hang out. We're going to stop it, cavity up, and we will be letting her rest. And I'll show you what it looks like after we get it pulled, and hopefully a couple shots of people trying to eat it. So, all right, talk to you later, gang. All right, guys, here we are, finished product. Trying to do this the right way so I'm not in the sun. Kind of hard to see. Nice caramelized. Looks juicy. There's juices on the foil underneath. So we're going to get this pulled up, put into them pans, and serve the masses. So there you go. Competition fig powder. Uncle Steve's shake. Thank you, Steve. Appreciate it. Take care, everybody. See you shortly.